Hello, crafty friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm excited to be with you as part of the Not Too Shabby Stamp and Die of the Month Hop for September 2022. This month's Stamp and Die is beyond adorable. It's called Turkey Day, and it comes, if you get the Stamp and Die, it comes with these 3 turkeys, the accessory stamps. It says Give Thanks and Happy Turkey Day, and then the dies work perfectly, and I always love them that they stamp or that they cut out the sentiments. Before I go any further on what I used for my card, I want to tell you that this is a hop, and all the information is in the description box. There's a hashtag to click on, N2S Turkey Day. Again, it's in my title and in the description box. And there's also a giveaway. So there is a raffle copter to enter. The link is in my description box. After you hop around, see everyone's amazing projects, give some thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and then go ahead and fill out that raffle copter. The giveaway closes on September 13th at 11:59 p.m. and the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel on September 14th. And one winner will receive a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby Shop. So that's awesome and amazing. So some other things that I used on my card was this Autumn Vibes paper pad that was part of the September 2022 box of the month, which sold out super quick. I will take a look. I know some products were available individually, and if it's still available, I will link it in the description box below. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And then I used some orange platinum. This calls for confetti because we know that I am super addicted to that. Again, this super, super adorable Turkey Day stamp set. I just had the best time with it. I will be showing my card in just a minute, but I did do some paper piecing of the turkey and this turkey and this pumpkin. And so for those of you that have not seen paper piecing before, I thought that I was filming me doing the entire thing, but for some reason I don't have the turkey. I guess he just wobbled away. But I do have a quick little video, little insert to put in here showing how I did the pumpkins in case you are not familiar with paper piecing. So I'll go to that and then I will be back to share my card. So now that you know how to paper piece, in case you haven't ever done it before, it is super easy and it is one of my favorite techniques. You just stamp the image, then you stamp the image on some patterned paper, cut it out, glue it on, and you're done. One thing to keep in mind though, like on these little wings, they're kind of smaller, so you wouldn't want like a huge print on it. Like some of these might not have worked. Like this one is just too big and too busy, it wouldn't have worked. So you do want to pay attention to that. But in the end, I absolutely love how it turned out. I did his little wings, and then I did both of the pumpkins. And I did them both kind of different so that they would be unique, but I love how they turned out, and it was so easy and fun to do. And then I just put my card together. Happy Turkey Day. You can see that this calls for confetti sparkling there. And then I always finish the inside, so I just have some banners and that little turkey peeking off in the corner there. So there's my card for the hop. I hope that you will definitely hop around, like I said, see what everyone else created, and be sure to enter that raffle copter link to be entered to win that gift certificate, because there's always fun stuff at the Not Too Shabby Shop. And I will be back later in the month on the Not Too Shabby channel with more inspiration using this super fun stamp and die of the month. Again, everything is linked in the description box below. And until my next video, have a super crafty day. Thanks for stopping by.